How to remove, uninstall iOS 17 beta from iPhone. If you don't plan to keep running the iOS 17 beta on your device, what to do? Way 1. How to remove iOS 17 beta without iTunes in one click. Go to the iOS and Share official website to download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Then launch the software. Choose iOS Upgrade, Downgrade option. Then choose Downgrade iOS on the right side. Connect the iOS device to the computer. Tap Trust, and then enter the screen passcode to confirm. Click the Next button to load iPhone details. Choose the firmware version you want to go back to. And click the Download button to go ahead. Note, this process will erase all data. Click the Start button, and then click OK to confirm. The software will start downgrading your iPhone iOS to a previous one. Way 2. How to remove iOS 17 beta from iPhone with iTunes. Note, make sure the latest version of iTunes is installed on your computer and turn off Find My on your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer and you will see a prompt. Click Restore on the prompt to proceed. Click Restore button again. Then iTunes will install the latest published release of iOS 16.6 to your iPhone. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.